This is a Chinese clock thermometer, and I'll make a nightlight from it by adding LEDs behind the liquid crystal display, as it doesn't have a backlight. So I'm going to add another backlight to another Chinese type thing. So here we go, and I am going to remove the light box and filters from a LCD display photo frame that is no longer working. So I've opened the box, and the LCD display in this Chinese thermometer clock has no backlight, but it has a silver backing on the glass, and I've been able to remove it, scrape it off bit by bit, and you work your way from the corner into the center, peeling it but not pushing or pulling, otherwise you might break the glass. I just peeled it off the back. Now without the back silver, the LCD display, I can put a backlight in behind using the plastic that I have from the other used plastic filters, and this works as a light box. And I'll put the filters in, and then I'll put lights, LED lights across the top. Because there's not a lot of space for these lights, I'm using surface mount LEDs, and I'll string them together. They're 3 volt, and I'll put a resistor, and then I'll just put the whole lot onto the back and then hot glue it, and I'll use a plug pack to power it, and hopefully the temperature will not be affected too much, so it will work as a backlight. And then, so here we go, it's now illuminated, and you can see it's from the back, and then there's a plug pack that is used to power it, but it only uses its own battery. So you've got internal and external temperature clock, and it is now illuminated as a nightlight. So it is the surface mount LEDs that sit across the top, and I've packed it into the back, and the wires out the back. So that's how I've done it, and it's okay. I think I've got one of the filters around the wrong way, so it's not evenly lit like it should be, but nevertheless it still works. It still works as a nightlight. There is a lot of light coming through the case, but otherwise it works a lot better than it would have otherwise, since a lot of this type of design do not have both temperatures visible at the same time. You want to be able to look at it across a room and not be concerned about having to press a button just to find out what's on. And so anyway, this is a nightlight, and yeah, it's a simple modifications